Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have WordPress installed, so begin by locking down the essentials. Choose a focused niche and confirm demand with quick keyword checks. Next, install a reliable affiliate plugin and a lightweight theme so links, cloaking, and tracking are ready. Sign up to 1-3 affiliate programs that match your niche and add your disclosure and legal pages. This protects you and builds trust. Once done, create 3 core content pages: homepage, blog, product, review template, and prepare to add affiliate links. You must now execute a content-first strategy. Draft pillar posts, in-depth reviews, comparisons, and how-to guides that target buyer intent keywords. While writing, insert cloaked affiliate links via your plugin and append UTM parameters so you can attribute traffic and conversions. Make sure to add product schema and eye-catching CTA buttons that explain value. This increases CTR. Also optimize images for page speed and use internal links to related articles so Google and users discover your funnel. Continue publishing. You're ready to launch and monitor. Configure analytics, Search Console, and goal events to capture affiliate clicks and form fills. Once live, run a /B test on headlines, CTA placement, and button text to lift conversion rate, measure changes, and iterate. If performance falters, immediately check for broken links, redirected URLs, or theme/plugin conflicts. Also confirm the affiliate program hasn't changed terms or links. Finally, maintain content updates and seasonal tests so your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.